Assalamu alaikum students. I am Mrs. Hafsa, your computer teacher from Army Public School and College System Rahim Yar Khan, and this is your fourth lecture of computer science. And the topic of today's lesson is types of computer. Computer can be classified on the following basis. The first one is on the basis of functionality and the second one is on the basis of size, speed and cost. First of all, we are going to discuss on the basis of functionality. On the basis of data representation, processing, input and output, computers can be classified into three types: analog computers, digital computers and hybrid computers. Analog computers. Analog computers represent and process data by measuring physical quantities such as voltage and current to solve a problem. These devices are mostly used in engineering and scientific applications. How analog computers work? Analog computers work on supply of continuous signals as an input and displays output simultaneously. Here simultaneously means at the same time. Its output is usually displayed on a meter or graphs. It uses electronic or mechanical phenomena to solve a problem. It uses one kind of physical quantities to represent another. Analog computer does not operate with digital signals. These computers are special purpose devices designed to perform a single specific task. Characteristic of analog computer. The accuracy of analog computers is low, but they are faster in speed as compared to digital computers. Analog computer is difficult to operate and use. These computers has a low memory. Digital computers. Digital computer works with digits. Everything is represented with binary digits, zeros and ones. It manipulates them at very fast speed. Here manipulates mean to operate. How digital computer works. Data and instructions are fed into the digital computer through an input device in the form of zeros and ones. The computer performs calculations on that data according to the instructions given in a computer program. The result of calculations are displayed on monitor or printed on a printer. Characteristic of digital computers. Digital computers can store and process large amount of information at high speed. The results produced by digital computers are reliable and accurate. Digital computers are general purpose computers used in various fields. Hybrid computer. Hybrid computers are the combination of analog and digital computers. They combine the characteristic of both analog and digital computer. It can accept data in analog and digital form. It can also display output in both forms. Hybrid computers can produce highly accurate results. Uses of hybrid computer. Hybrid computers are mainly used for scientific applications. These computers are used in spaceships, missile systems, scientific research, and hospitals. This is your assignment, students. After watching this video carefully, you may be able to solve these questions.